What's up, guys? I'm Caden with Crypto Now or Never, and welcome back to another overall crypto market update. Please do me a favor and hit that like and subscribe button. Help me pump that algorithm. I'd greatly appreciate it. None of this is financial advice. Let's get into it.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. Know what I want.
All right, so as usual, we're just going to start off with a quick little Bitcoin update. And for Bitcoin, not a whole lot has changed. If you guys have been watching my previous content, I've been talking about how I wouldn't be shocked if Bitcoin formed a cup and handle. We already had the cup, and I wanted to see a handle form without losing the 21-day or the trend line. And we actually came down and bounced perfectly off of both of those levels. Now, the question is whether or not Bitcoin can put in a new all-time high. And do understand I'm recording this video on January 31st, so the monthly candle is about to close. And as you can see right now, this is actually a very strong candle close. This would be a bullish engulfing candle. Now, I don't necessarily love that you could argue we have tweezer tops up here, but I still think this candle is very strong. But again, you can always expect to have some major volatility before this closes. So don't be shocked if we don't close this strong or we close even stronger. Now, what's actually very exciting though is when we click on Ethereum. This is the main reason that I'm making this video today. So I've been telling you guys for a long time that Ethereum looks pretty different to Bitcoin because it has not broken above this trend line. But you can see this most recent candle has finally gotten back above the trend line. Again, the major question is where will this actually close? But this is huge, especially for a lot of the projects that I cover on my channel. Many of you guys love Ethereum meme coins, so this is exactly what we needed to see. And when you see Ethereum breakout, that usually leads to a PEPE breakout because PEPE is almost a direct derivative to ETH. As a lot of you guys are probably aware, Hoppy is a fan favorite on my channel. A lot of people really like this project, including myself. You can see that a project like Hoppy has just been bleeding and bleeding and bleeding. But again, you look at the Ethereum chart and it's also just been bleeding and bleeding and bleeding. What's fascinating is if you look at the meme coin market, a lot of meme coins are not following Ethereum yet. Most meme coins are still down in the last week, but even the last hour, last 24 hours, there haven't been a lot of huge moves. I do believe a lot of these projects are waiting for Ethereum to actually confirm the breakout because this candle could very easily get sold off. But right now we look fantastic. And what's probably even more important is to look behind the scenes. I've been pointing this out frequently as well, but Trump's World Liberty Financial just bought another $10 million worth of ETH on chain. And this happened just a couple hours ago. If you guys are still doubting Ethereum, ask yourself the question, why is Trump buying Ethereum? I understand he launched a meme coin on Solana, I get it, but that doesn't mean that Ethereum is not going to explode. Look at XRP as an example. I understand that XRP and Ethereum were different scenarios. However, XRP took a long time to explode, but when it did, it went parabolic. If you look at the last year for XRP, you can see this massive move. It went from that 50-cent range to over $3, and now it's easily the third largest crypto. Do I think Ethereum will have a parabolic move like that? Not necessarily, but I truly do believe that the breakout is inevitable. You look at Bitcoin and it has already soared past all-time highs. If you look at Ethereum, you can see that the previous all-time high is $4,891. We're still down 31%. It reached this all-time high 3 years ago. I'm telling you right now, I would be very shocked if ETH did not ever break all-time highs again. And I think if ETH does break all-time highs, it's going to help a lot of our fan favorite plays on this channel. If PEPE breaks out, it's going to help the PEPE derivatives like Hoppy, like Baby PEPE, like Base PEPE. And then I also want to point out Miggles just because this is one of my favorite projects right now. Now, Miggles has already had a nice breakout because of the Toshi listing, but I definitely think you guys should keep this project on your watch list. Obviously, that's not financial advice, but they have a very strong connection to Coinbase. There's always a chance that a project like Miggles could do very well. But regardless, if you guys are interested in getting into projects super early, then I also recommend taking a look at my Discord. At the current moment, I have 3 different tiers, but we've been making life-changing gains in here. As a lot of you guys know, my Discord is around 1 year old and we've already called 6 different 200x projects as a community. Just to put that in perspective, a $1,000 investment could have turned into over $200,000. Those are life-changing gains to most people. So if this is the kind of stuff that sounds interesting to you guys, I have the link right here on my YouTube homepage. We're truly building an amazing community. I'd love to see you guys in here. But as always, I want to be crystal clear. Every single one of these projects that I cover come with extremely high risk. Make sure you always do your own research. But that's about all. Let me know down in the comments where you think the market's heading in the next few weeks. If you found this content valuable, please do me a favor and hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great rest of your day.